ekene muno biko iya video ebe nwanne anyị nwoke Agugbola wee pụta wee mee apology to Aunty Oge for ihe niile ọgwa ya n'ọnụ mana abụla eziokwu. Mana tupu anyị aga n'ilu, biko click a like button, click a subscription button, click a share, comment na ọ bụ n'ime checking na-egeche video anọ biko ka anyị ga nwanne anyị nwoke ntị n'onu. Ngwan watch and video.
Hello?
Ogechi, good morning.
Yeah, morning. Who am I speaking with?
My name is Igbo Agugbola.
Okay.
How are you today?
I'm good. How are you?
We bless God. Are you a little bit free? Can I talk to you?
Go ahead. Go ahead. I'm listening.
Okay, good. So I want to say I'm sorry for misunderstanding my speech, which I made on Facebook. Ogechi Okeke putting out iPhone, and I like he placed my point. If it's not well understand, maybe the way the person see it, or maybe the way the video is played, it's something different. Last night I was over troubled to make a video concerning my father Mbaka and Prophet Tebukobi. And I finished doing that video. I post the video. And the same way, the same spirit called me to look for your number and talk to you and tell you I am a son of the Most High God. And one thing about me is this: I learned from my age of grown how to forgive and let go. And you will not understand why the spirit said I should talk to you. I refuse, but they keep bothering me. Let go, talk to her. I said, okay, good and fine, I will do that. You might not find what I will tell you very luxe or very cruisy or very sexy in ear to ear. My point is this: I want to talk to you about JPAC. I also speak to JPAC about this piece. I am not a man that's supposed to tell you about this piece because you have so many big men, you have so many plenty women of God, men of God that you know. I used to my sister to cry aloud my name, Agugbola. I am 48 years old of age. My senior daughter, Edna, she's 24. Lino is 22. David, the one that died last month, she's 21.
Oh man, you so rest in peace. So give me book on name.
I don't know, he just number and died anyway. Buried it.
Oh, sorry about that.
You know, I have not lived in life that I will step in my altar to get upset for you. In my life, I have never think of that. This altar you see here, I bless people here, I pray for people. Even without them coming to me, where I live on the island. Why am I doing this occasion? I don't know why. My spirit just bring the video of you to me 3 days ago. It keep bothering me. And the video they are playing to me is not good. And what do I have to do? I don't know when they send me how to go to the altar and ask God, please have mercy. Protect your daughter for just Christ's sake, not for anything. Why are we protecting Ogechi for Christ's sake? We're protecting you because there's something God wants you to do, but it's not the one you're doing right now. I'm telling you the truth. Maybe nobody has told you this. If anybody told you that you were a powerful prophet of God, prophetess of God, you will doubt the person and tell the person, to save souls, it's your calling. But when you want to channel the calling of fighting something that you can repair, you have too many evidences, 101 million evidences about JPAC, quarrel, this and that. You can nail him, you can make everybody in the whole world hate him. But at the end of the day, if JPAC come tomorrow to tell you, okay, can you give me something to help myself? Okay, I have seen your spirit more than what you think you've seen yourself. You will share tears and tell him, give me your account. I'm not telling this to you for you to feel, wow, I'm telling you that is who you are. You can see me as your brother, you can see me as your junior brother or senior brother, I don't know how old you are. But in my 48 28, I'm still a young man. I know. If only you will understand that the same me that we're having issue with you, the same me go to the altar and ask God, have mercy, forgive. I am not a baby Christian. I do not grow yesterday. No. Why am I doing this? I am doing this not because I just entered a place yesterday. No. I am doing this because the torture is coming. Make this peace between Father Mbaga and Prophet Ebukobi, and also settle the one you speak. I am doing it because God says I should do. And who am I to say no? I'm just an ordinary, very small immortal. That what and I'm saying no, I'm saying no. I cannot. But I have to voice out. Biko. Biko. I don't know how damage the death of your father might have cost you. I don't want to judge that. Because I want to very difficult to put in peace. But because of who you are, not because you are an internet person, but because of who God has made you to be. Please, I beg you in the name of God. You are not seeing what I'm saying, but you are bigger than this peace. Your peace it is too big to bring this peace. Bringing this peace is the smallest thing you can do. Very small thing for you to do. Let's go. This is a divine direction. And this is a divine breakthrough. Just let go. I know you have sit down in your house and shed tears about someone talking about your father. My mother died at 94 years old. Last 2 years. Which I'm upset that why did she die like that? Because the senior brother and senior direct is still 105 now. And her own mother died 147. And I was upset. The age was there this 94 years. And when I was 94, 100. You know, I was upset. Why? I see that spirit in their family. And sometimes when I want to pray for people, I say, may the spirit that follow the people from my mother family follow you. Because I've never seen my mother use walking stick. I've done that. You go Catholic church anywhere. Then you set aside all these things and you find out that you have not started a journey that God has. You might be doing some charities now. You might be saving some lives from one way to the other you're doing in your little ways you think is little. But it's going very far journey in the things that God called you to do. So why do you want to allow something to punish what God has put for you? You don't need it. Likewise me, I do not need to have this worry with you. God said, you don't need it. Go back to the altar and bless her. She's like your sister to you. She's like your loved one to you. Go back to the altar, bless her. And I did. I did without even your consent. I did that the day before yesterday or yesterday. I got it. Go. Let go. Shame all this listener that come along to Kegwe. At the end of the day, defend them. We forget that the person you are saying, no. That woman has a grace, and her grace is different from what she's displaying on the internet. God showed me what I don't even know about you. What you're displaying on the internet is a different thing for what God called you for. Totally different thing. Please, whatever enemy have used to say about your father, a man that is the reason why you are alive, a man that is the reason why you know this earth, even knowing the name of Japan, because your father did not give birth to you, a man will Japan. Please, may his soul rest in perfect peace. May God, through his death, raise no family death to his family anymore. Please, let this go. Whatever I feel that is offense, you offended me, I'm forgiving you, sis. And the same way I'm saying, if I offended you in my speech too, let go. You're my sister. I learn how to love you. Just let go. I shed a lot of tears in my altar. When the spirit tells me, if I do not speak about this, Mbaka and Prophet Ebukobi, that they will stop me. I refuse to speak this since this thing came to me. I refuse. But I was forced yesterday to speak it. And I'm forced today to talk to you to let go. Please, just let go. Okay, so when you agree with now, the man away you want to come home. If you let go, only single thing on the weapon now, only one contact you have the weapon, the man away you want to come home. I'm telling you 100% it will give you more breakthrough. It will give you excess connection that you don't even expect. Many people will shed tears seeing you let this go. They will shed tears. Do you know the tears they are sharing? Tears of joy. Tears of different women they have not even expected. Tears of, are you serious? Ogechi Njaka. Don't play with your name. God time is the best. Just let go. Let go. Let go. If Shepard had any other thing in mind after I spoke to him, to let go, whatever, even unborn one that is still in his mind to think about it. Okay, she's your sister. Okay, she's your loved one. Okay, she's the one that loves you. Okay, she's the one that cares about you. She's bitter for a statement that is very, very bad. But we are not here to table this statement. All we are here to do is, please, let go. I beg you. Let go. Go. Let go.
Agugbola, I don't know me, but when I get back, I need to apologize to my father. Okay, my apology. I'm not asking him to apologize to me, but when my dad, okay, my dad, you open apology. I don't bear no grudges against him. We are from the same place. Oh, no, oh, no, so many. Yamanaba Hoji disrespected my father. He owe my father an apology. That is it. I did not ask for and nothing more. Yahweh, my father, made an apology. You understand what I'm saying? They are from the same Lewi South. Yamanaba Hoji Buputen Namo, false information against me na gari for years. Ya puta the same public opposed nam jin nam bamu war. Ya burukwaya like that to apologize to the dead. Mamon and Pamo Denama, Mamon and Pamo Soroku is none of anybody's business. This is none of nobody's business because without my dad I can't remain here. Now tell me about the one significant thing about my father, right? My father is more stubborn than me. My dad got on like this walk or even the CEO of the company outside because okay, I'm weak credential. I'm not the truth. He's a very stubborn man. And the came and their stubbornness now too much. Now when my husband did my dad he had to submit every because you know why? All standard of education would believe when you and I cannot communicate. Now my father my husband, my father with the akwụkwọ nji file ala dum. Mgbe my husband chọrọ ịba me, ha need people who qualify to that assembly because of my father's qualifications and degree. They had to tell my husband no need my second body. So I got a man that sacrificed many things for me, and somebody a book yeah, that the whole social media just because of one man. And when you end Igbo na to relation who that person baragebe with the problem. Oh, when you torogaka. She le one gay hiding. Gay pack oh my father an apology. That is the only thing that will stop this. And the apple that year buko biaka hapo akwaka gawaro where nobody is jealousing him on anything. He knows that Ogechi God God a blessed him. So talking about jealousy, people just want to talk whatever they like. These are the things I ask of him. Jiwaro wegi yawuna J pack na Governor Ejioku. Cool down. This PC, they could have connected back to Akon. I know they really want that friendship. This is a friendship they built, but just because of greediness or as only deprived, I don't know. This thing could have been resolved. My brother went to to a fort that they will make him move the mountain. But one thing I don't take.
You have not talked. I told you at the first when I started talking.
Yeah. So I told you. The only thing I know I take rubbish, and I hate somebody to talk down on me. So. Even I wanted to give him something, my wedding, but not because of this crisis. The same I wanted to give him something, but not because of this problem. See what I go? So I have no reason. I'm go for what? Because we got the thing you know, government maybe she pop you bogor. Hapo reference in here, but daddy Bukobi. Hapo my dad apology, and everything will go. That is all I ask for. And when you know that's one number. We continue the game. I don't make shit on Facebook.
If I tell you you're bigger than some certain thing, believe me, you're bigger than that thing. I'm telling you the truth. I don't need to check any aspects about you, but if I tell you you're bigger than some things, I am talking in spiritual. You're bigger than some things. I'll talk to J back, and I want him to do that. That thing is very simple as anything. And I believe, for the respect, he said that he respects me a lot. As his senior brother, I believe he will do it. I believe by God.
My brother, the way I insulted you, man, how open a put you what I go.